This bike has not been started since the winter time. It's sat for whatever, 6 months. We have turned the gas on and we have pulled the choke up. That is all we've done.
Okay, I hope this starts. It's gonna look really stupid.
Like I said in the beginning, this bike has sat for 6 months over the winter time. I just put fuel in it and didn't do anything else besides turn the gas on, turn the choke on, and fire it up. I have had every displacement of motorcycle two-stroke, 80, 60, 50, 125, 250, 500. It's not everything, 350. I have never done anything besides turn the gas on and the choke and kick it real good. Thanks for watching.